Welcome to this week's vlog. Today is Monday. I've got quite a lot to do this week, so I'm going to try and get what I need to be done. There's a few things I need to wrap. I need to wrap an art doll and I need to send it off before Friday. So Friday is usually my mailing day, but as it's a public holiday this Friday, I have to do it earlier. So I have to wrap the doll this week before Thursday so I can send it off before Friday. And that was a payment plan that was paid off. I've got to wrap some watercolors, so that needs to be done. And I need to work on my commission. I need to finish off my dragon heads because I want to get them up in my shop this Friday, or it should be up this Friday, which will be a couple of days ago when you see this vlog. And yeah, so and I want to finish off one doll so I at least have something for next week to put up, and I need to edit all of my videos for this week as well. So got a fair bit done to do, I mean, so yeah. Yes, so let's see what I can get done. So this week's going to be a bit of a short week. Today's Thursday, so I won't really have any time to do anything tomorrow. So it's probably the last day I get to work on my stuff this week. But what I'm going to try and do is get some work on my commission. So that is another Wildcat commission. So painted him up so far. I've just got to work on the fur. I've got to sew it up and cut it out. So hopefully I'll have the body actually sewn today, and then I can put it all together next week. So I have a couple of days off next week, or this week, where I'll try and get it done. So I have the feet painted up. So yeah, we'll see what I can get done today. And hopefully I get to do another watercolor, so stay tuned and see what I can get done. today, which is really good. I managed to sew up the body for the Wildcat commission, so I'll give you a little sneak peek. So that's what we have so far. So hopefully I can put it together next week, and hopefully I can finish it next week, because I have a couple of days off. I also did another painting for the Galaxy collection release. This one is just like a nebula mountain watercolor. So there's that one. So there's 2 more that I want to do to release as that collection, as well as the stickers. So there's that one so far and that one. So 2 so far. I also managed to give my fox a bit of a trim, so that would be ready to fur as well. So maybe I can get that done next week as well, because furring doesn't take all that long. I've got it kind of down pat now, but I'll give you a quick look. Right, so this is the fox so far. So a nice pattern. I'm going to blend it a bit more so it looks a bit more like it's not 2 pieces of material stuck together. I left the tail really fluffy, and I left the mane really fluffy as well, so that's full length, and gave the legs a bit of a trim. So I'm gonna have some black feet with sort of fade, and I want to do a black muzzle as well. So yeah, coming along this one, so it should be finished soon. I also managed to put together my next bear, so it looks a bit fluffy at the moment. So all of these $3, I'm waiting for things to dry before I move on to any next step. But yeah, hopefully that one will be able to get done probably in like 2 weeks time or something. So yeah, looking cute. So that's pretty much all I done yesterday, well today, yeah, so that's pretty much it for this vlog. So tomorrow is a public holiday here in Australia, probably a public holiday everywhere actually, Easter. So I'm not going to get much work done tomorrow, or any work, because I don't know. But anyway, so you can check out my shop for those dragon heads if they haven't been sold. That's at creaturesofnat.com. And what else? You can check me out on my social medias. It's also at Creatures of Nat on Instagram and Facebook. And that's pretty much it for this week. So I'll catch you in next week's vlog. I have another video coming up this Friday, so keep an eye out for that, and I'll see you next week. Bye!